Hello, I wanted to create a brief video to show students and parents how to create text boxes and shapes in Google Classroom when they're working on an assignment. So for students, if you go into one of your assignments, and I'm going to pull up, for example, the language arts placement test. For this first assignment, I had created the bubbles and the text boxes for you, but you may get an assignment where those things are missing. So if you have an assignment, you may get a blank assignment. It looks like this, where it doesn't have a text box already placed for you to fill in. What you can do is you can create your own text boxes and shapes when you want to circle things and when you want a place to type. And I'm going to show you how to do that. Now, I have my document right here in front of me. If I want to create a text box, I'm going to go right here to this box with the little bubbles in the corners that has the letter T in it for text box. So if I click on that, it's going to give me this little plus sign, and it's going to let me click wherever I like, and then I can move that around. So I can type in my name up here, and I can adjust the size of the text box if I need to. I can also adjust the size of the words or the text in it. So if it's small, I can use the plus sign right here to make it bigger until it's the size that I like. And then that text box is now placed there. So if you want to go back and change something in it, you just go and click on the words and it'll show you the text. Now, if you want to create things like shapes, you're going to go to this tool right here, which is the shape tool. It has a circle that's sitting in front of a square. So if you click on that, it'll ask you what kind of shape you want to do. So if we're circling something, you can just select the circle tool. Now, when you first use this tool and you go to create, so you're going to click and hold to make your circle. Now you see that your circle is filled in. It's got a color in it, so you can't see through it. So if you want to be able to create a circle where you can see what's behind it, you click on it like this, and then you're going to go up here to this bucket tool. So this looks like a little paint bucket. You can click on that, and you can click the word transparent. Transparent means it's see-through. Means now you can see what's behind it. So I can drag it around, and you'll be able to see what I'm working on. Now, if I made it too small, I can stretch it any way I like. If I made it too big, I can also shrink it down to the size that I want. You can change the color of the line. So if you want a red circle, you can make it like that. If you want the line to be darker or thicker, you can change the point over here where it says border weight. So you can change the weight. So now that you can see that the circle is a darker red circle, it's easier for you to see. So when you get an assignment that doesn't have text boxes or doesn't have these shapes to help you circle or draw things, you can use these tools up here. Now, if I need to underline something, I'm going to click on this one, the one that looks like a line segment with the two dots on the end and a little line. And it'll give you the option to do arrows or scribbles. So if I want to just be able to draw by myself, I'm going to click and hold, and then I can circle things this way. Or I can click on my little squiggle tool again, and maybe I want to draw a shape. So most of the time, you're just going to be using the lines or the circles. So if I just do a line, I'm just going to draw where I want the line. And then same thing like the shape, I can drag it around and I can move it if I want to. So once you're done doing that, you will be able to, your document will save by itself, and then you can submit it back and turn it in. If you have any questions, let me know. Have a great day. Bye.